Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna. Today is Friday. Finally! I've had pretty hectic week at work. Being able to get home and make these vlogs and upload them the same day I'm not gonna tell you, has made it any less stressful, but it definitely gives me something to look forward to at the end of my day. So I'm just really excited for the weekend. I think I'm gonna do a lot of fun things. I'm gonna go pick a tree for sure and decorate the tree, and that's gonna be awesome. First things first, outfit check. This is the outfit today. This is my jacket. I thrifted this jacket for like 10 bucks. Can you believe it? It's such a great jacket. I absolutely adore it. Just look at this fabric. The fact that this is thrifted just makes my day better. On a white dress shirt, and this may or may not be my boyfriend's. Hope he's not watching this video. And these pants I thrifted from Goodwill last week. You guys can see it on my thrift haul video. I think these were like maybe 5 bucks. I want to say $4.99. I think so. And this vest, I got it as a set. It has like little lace detail in the back. The back is see-through. And I got it as a set from Poshmark for $10, like 3 years ago. So I've had it for a while. And now that I did the outfit check, I'm going to go change because I want to be comfortable, and it's Friday and I want to just hop onto my blanket and watch Christmas movies and not do anything. And we're comfortable. This is my boyfriend's hoodie that I made him get because I don't wear hoodies myself, but I wear his because they're very comfortable and warm. And these shorts I got at a random vendor at Kishobe Music Festival, and they're like amazing. They have super long pockets. The pockets go all the way down here, and they're just great. I love them. They're very comfortable as well. So I got home to an empty house today, which doesn't happen often, but today Brock is taking Mackie to a private lesson, just like his little dog training lessons. My acne keeps getting worse and it keeps distracting me. I'm talking to you guys, I hate it so much. It's because of this thing. Maskne is a real thing. But anyways, I think I'm gonna take this time alone to clean up a little bit. I feel like every vlog I'm cleaning. To clean up a little bit and just get dinner. I just want to order in today. It's Friday. I'm gonna do this for myself. I don't want to give myself more work. This was a pretty hectic week at work, and I definitely just want to relax this week and not stress about anything. So let's set the relaxing mood. Essential oils is the first step for relaxing mood in my book. I can never relax until the living room looks fully organized and free of clutter. So I'm gonna pick up some of Mackie's toys and fold that blanket and just make it look as nice as it can look. And then I'm gonna sit down, watch some TV, and just chill. I promised you guys 2 days ago I would tell you what I thought about the chai tea latte concentrate I bought. And I was gonna make one for you guys, and we're gonna do that right now. Because normally I don't make them at night because they have caffeine, but it's Friday, so I don't have to wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So I'm making it. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna make it with soy milk because that's how I always drink my chai tea latte. Some ice. I barely add any of this. I don't add a lot. That's honestly good enough for me. Now we're gonna add the milk. I'm actually super low on soy milk. I have to get some more soy milk this week. And now for the best part. We stir it. Reusable straws because we're not awful people. Yes, that's amazing. So I've been making this for work in the mornings. I used to spend I want to say $7 on chai tea lattes from Starbucks, and we are becoming better people. We're making our own chai tea lattes and we're saving money. I can now quit Starbucks because I don't drink coffee anyway, and that was the only thing I got from them all the time. Good morning guys, happy Saturday. I skipped VLOGMAS yesterday for for two reasons. First one was like I was really getting burned out with work and vlogging, etc. So I really needed a night to myself. We ordered some delivery, we chilled at home, we finished Queen's Gambit, and it was just like a peaceful night that I really needed. The second reason is like I was a little discouraged, like that vlogmas video, my vlogmas videos, day 1, 2, and 3 didn't really do well, but it's part of vlogmas. You upload every day, so obviously you're not gonna see your usual results with so little time in between videos. So I understand like that's normal, but I was really discouraged. It's my first time doing vlogmas, so we're hopping back on the train today. Going to finally get a Christmas tree today, so I'm really excited. Brooke and Mackie are still sleeping because they were really tired, and I think I'm gonna make some breakfast so that he can wake up to breakfast, and we'll go from there. This is my outfit today. The shirt is from Venus. I got it for Christmas as a present from Brooke's mom. It has this little crystals that I think are so cute. I love them. I feel very regal when I wear this. These pants were also a present from my mom, and they're something. I like them because they have a slit here, so you can be scandalous while also just look put together. And these boots I absolutely adore. I got them from College Spring, and they're just the perfect height, perfect silhouette. Can't go wrong with them. And obviously because it's cold, I'm gonna add a winter coat to this, but yeah, that's the outfit today. Also, these earrings are kind of amazing. And they have some pops of green and kind of cream like the pants, just to bring in the colors. Yeah, that's the outfit. I already know there's gonna be so much noise in this track from my car. But we're on our way to the Christmas tree farm, and we're gonna get a Christmas tree today.
We could have brought Mackie.
That was a pretty disappointing tree farm, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't happy, so we didn't get a tree. We're going now to a different tree farm because I just didn't feel the Christmas cheer. So we're going to a different Christmas tree farm now. We'll keep you posted when we find one we actually like. This one's a way better Christmas farm, right?
Yeah.
These black trees are so chic, but I don't lead the type of life that allows me to have a black tree. But I think they're fine. That's our son! We found him! That was a lot better experience than the other place. You have to admit it.
Oh yeah.
It was way better.
I don't regret it at all.
And we got our tree, and we have. Oh, it was like $60?
No, it's not too bad.
Yeah. And we got our tree, and we got some extra branches so that I can make a wreath, because I really like making my wreath every year. I already have the frame and everything. Remember, I bought it last year.
I remember.
Now I'm really glad I didn't buy just whatever I found at the other place. Yeah. On my way out, this girl saw, I guess she saw my camera, and she asked me if I had a YouTube channel, and she wrote it down, so that's cute. If you're watching this, because this video is going up tomorrow, if you're watching this, hi! Thank you for being so sweet with us. We were coming from a really way worse Christmas tree farm, and you guys did an awesome job. Thank you. They kept asking us to name the tree, and I thought they were joking, and then on my way out, when we're picking up the tree, they're like, so what did you name him? I'm like, what? Like, the guy goes,
I've never named a tree.
Right? Me neither. The guy goes, we're not supposed to let you go until you name the tree. I'm like, wait, this is too much pressure. I need more time to name anything. With our dog, it took us like 3 days.
I think the idea is some of them were already named.
We got a tree!
We got a tree. Sit.
I was gonna end the vlog, but then I remember we went to Target and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff we got. We got these hooks for stockings and on the fireplace mantle. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. We got some wrapping paper. Look at this, isn't it so cute? And the second one is also super cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, it's a little Christmas sloth. Isn't that so cute? Can you guys see that? Isn't he adorable? We also got some Christmas cookies I should have honestly done a haul when we got home, but I didn't even think about it. We got lots of chocolates, like Christmas chocolate products. We got this, which I'm so excited about. It's like a decorating DIY kit for doggy cookies for Mackie. I think it's gonna be really fun and he's gonna love it. I'm really excited. And Christmas stuff per set, here's what we got. So we got the tree skirt. Classic Christmas colors. I think it looks super cute. So we have the tree skirt. We have these stockings, which I think are just like exactly what we needed. Very to the point and very cute. Mackie and Nate, because Nate is going to be up here for Christmas and later on with us. He's moving to Madison for work and we're really excited to have him. And these are the hooks I was telling you guys about. The box I showed you, this is it. They look nice enough that it doesn't get in the way of your decor, which I think is amazing. But there's Christmas movie playing right now. And here are the other things we got. Some tiny ornaments, tinsel. I think that's what that's called. Garland or tinsel? I'm not sure. Some of those little tags for presents that say to and from. Some more ornaments. Some bows for the presents as well. I got this little guy because I thought he was adorable. It's an ornament. I got this little girl because I thought she was adorable. This one. I thought this one was so cute. I'll show you guys what it is. It says Nice List VIP and we're gonna put a photo of Mackie in here. It's gonna be very cute. We're decorating tomorrow. I'm so excited. I told you guys I wanted to get some red stuff for the tree. I'm so pumped for Christmas. Is that cute or what? Isn't that adorable? I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Tomorrow we are decorating the tree and just putting all the ornaments, etc. So that's gonna be a separate vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful week. Stay safe. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Mwah.